Do you want to be a millionaire for about $16 per day? Interesting, yeah? Let me explain. Anyone can become a millionaire if they start early, and the amazing thing is that it can be all done automatically. Hello everyone, my name is Seliza, and today I'm going to serve as your Roth IRA advisor, mentor, guru, ninja. You know what I'm saying. Now, if you already have a Roth IRA and are using it to its fullest potential, then congratulations! You're off to a great start already. But if you don't have one yet and want to learn more about them, then keep watching. I'll explain what a Roth IRA is and why you would be crazy not to set one up. Be careful though, as it's easy to make a Roth IRA mistake. Stay until the end of this video and I'll tell you about 3 Roth IRA blunders to avoid at all costs. Let's go. Firstly, you'll want to know what is the difference between a Roth IRA and a regular IRA. Can you lose money in a Roth IRA? What is the downside of a Roth IRA? And what is a Roth IRA in simple terms? These are some of the questions you may have on your mind, and you'll get an answer to every one of them as you continue to watch this video. Watch the whole of this video. Roth IRAs are not as popular as investments in things like gold or crypto, but they offer something that is more valuable than this: security. Now, what exactly is a Roth IRA in simple terms? A Roth IRA is an account where you can save money for your retirement. The money will not be taxed. The Roth IRA was named after William Roth, who was a senator from Delaware. You don't want to touch this money until you're at least 59 and a half years old or older, which is when you can begin taking withdrawals. Anyone who is 18 years of age or older can open a Roth IRA account. So this gives you the chance to start early enough and guarantees your old age finances. Well, at least that's one good thing about getting old, eh? The best thing about Roth IRA is that all the money you invest will grow tax-free and allow you to withdraw it tax-free once you are the required age. And you can do this because the money you put into Roth IRA is already taxed. This means that you will not have to pay taxes on it again. It's also worth noting that the money you contribute to Roth IRA cannot be subtracted from your income taxes. If you've ever dreamt of being a tax-free millionaire, this is an excellent method to accomplish it. Another advantage of contributing to traditional IRA is that you might be in a lower tax bracket now than you will be later. So your contributions will be taxed at a lower rate, allowing them to grow even faster. Boom! What will your Roth IRA be invested in? A whole lot. A Roth IRA can hold many different types of assets. The only things that a Roth IRA cannot hold are life insurance and collectible items. It can hold any other type of asset. These investment options will allow you to invest in small slices of major companies that trade. This, of course, will be based on your preference for risk tolerance and time horizon, as opposed to just putting all your eggs into one basket, like with regular money markets. The possibilities of what you can do with a Roth IRA are literally endless. You could have mutual or index funds, stocks, bonds, gold, real estate, and even assets like cryptocurrency inside your retirement account. And that's not all. There is also the option to add different types of investments, such as individual shares in companies. This way, it will be easy for people who want more control over their investments than just putting everything into one fund, because they know exactly how much risk each item carries depending on its volatility level. If you are looking to get rich quickly in the slowest way possible, then the Roth IRA is your best option, as it allows investment growth that is taxes free and with compound interest. How does compound interest work? When you invest money, you can earn interest on your money. This is a good way to make more money. Compound interest happens when you earn interest on the interest that has been added to your original investment. So you can have exponential growth by adding compound interest over time. Every year, your Roth IRA funds will make a return of about 7%, and each year, new money is added to the account. This means that you earn interest on all of the money that you have made, as well as on all of your investments from last year. Over time, this can lead to a large growth in your money. Be amazed by the power of compound interest. What else is great about Roth IRAs? Automation. Roth IRAs are set it and forget investing. Passive income, if you will. You simply contribute to it and then you watch your money grow. It's simple. And once they're all set up, just forget about it. Create an auto investing account and there you go. Become a millionaire in your lifetime. Your funds will be placed on an autopilot into Roth IRA and they'll grow over the next 30 to 40 years until you retire. That's all there is to it. And if you want to become a tax-free millionaire, if you've started your Roth IRA young enough, and if you are not a spring chicken, then well, that's okay too. You'll still build up a huge amount due to the compound effect. Okay, we've danced around and high-fived ourselves about all the excellent benefits of having a Roth IRA. So, what are the negatives? And don't forget to stick around to hear the 3 top mistakes that people make. As with anything good, there are always some bad things too. Here are some of the 2021 rules. Single tax filers must have a modified adjusted gross income of $140,000 or less, up from $139,000 in 2020. For those married or filing jointly, your joint MAG must be under $208,000, up from $206,000 in 2020. If your earnings exceed this amount, there are other options for you, which I'll cover in another video. Link in the description. But try not to contribute too much to your Roth IRA. If you give more money to your Roth IRA than is allowed, the IRS will charge a penalty. But if you realize your mistake before you file your taxes or before 6 months have passed, then you can take back the extra money and the earnings on it. If you have already filed taxes for that year but realized your mistake within 6 months of filing them, then too can take back the extra money and the earnings on it, and you'll be taxed on what you earned but not charged a penalty by the IRS. If you make more money in a year than you expected, then you should reduce the amount that goes into your Roth IRA. You will pay a 6% penalty for every year that this extra money remains in your account. So if you have questions about removing excess funds, it might make sense to consult with a tax advisor. I've also got a few recommendations of tax advisors in the description in this video. Whatever firm or broker you use, they should inform you of these rules adjustments every year. And I have another video on what are the most reputable companies to use on the screen now. So, when should you go to set up your Roth IRA? Now. It is a good idea to start saving money as soon as you can. If you are 18, like I stated earlier, you can open your account. And if you are under 18, a parent or guardian can open an account on your behalf and match your contributions up to 50%. It's a great way for teenagers to earn side hustle income, add it to their own Roth IRA, and then match 50%. Even if you haven't begun investing, you may become a millionaire simply through a Roth IRA if you open it by 28 years old and maximize your contributions, which would be approximately $115 per week. If you begin one at the age of 35, you may still earn $600,000 by 65, or if you don't start one until you're 45, you will have saved $250,000 tax-free. So, what are you waiting for? Open one now! There you have it, everything you need to know about Roth IRAs. Now, let me walk you through a brief recap. So, a Roth IRA is a tax-free retirement account that allows you to invest in income that has been previously taxed. The amount grows over time thanks to the compound interest it generates. You may then withdraw your money from a Roth IRA entirely tax-free if you are age 59 and a half or older. If you start early enough, you may be able to withdraw hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars tax-free in the end. Look, you've stuck around this long, so as I promised, here are 3 frequent Roth IRA blunders. First, hiring a financial advisor who will charge you fees to create and maintain your account. Paying a fee to hire someone to open and maintain your account is not a good idea and is a complete waste of money. It's easy to open the Roth IRA and you can set up contributions that happen automatically. You should save some money instead of giving it away. Second, opening the account and then leaving it. Opened your account? Well done. However, to make the most of it, you must contribute regularly. Otherwise, it's one big waste of time. Number 3, when you don't maximize your contributions. I know this isn't always feasible for everyone and it might not be possible right away, but you should attempt to do so as soon as you are able. If you contribute the complete sum every year, you will get the maximum return for your investments. Boom! Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and please hit the like and share button to help me spread this video. Stick around as in the next video because I'll be breaking down the most reputable companies to set up your Roth IRA with. It's on the screen now and in the description.